What's up, everybody? It's Jonathan from Lone Wolf Day Trading, and today may be the smallest green day I've ever had. But hey, I can buy 290 BK nuggets with this. Maybe even get an order of cheesy tots. Sounds good to me. Let's get into it. Okay, so unfortunately I forgot my video capture card, so I only have this. Yeah, I apologize. I truly do. I know it's not as fun to watch it already happen, but hey, the market was slow today. I took a small trade, 1,000 shares, only got 29 bucks out of it. Basically, I got in right here after the big spike. It came back down. I wanted to get in right at the top, but I hesitated. I didn't get the entry I wanted of about 593. I got in at 583. So lost about 100 bucks on me hesitating. And then when it came down, it's bounced around a lot. I apologize for that. All right, so basically, and that's what happens when you hesitate. You're pissed off for the rest of the day. All right, so basically, I get in right here, right? And it's bounced around a lot. And yeah, so then I got out of the trade at 580, taking $29 on it. Definitely not the best trade I've ever had. The market was very slow. One thing I do want to point out though is if you've ever watched my videos in the past, you know I look at the previous day's low. I wait for it to fill the gap. Now if we look at it, we have a low of 707, right? Now if we look at the high of day, the highest it ever went was 710. It completely filled the gap, normally what I look for, maybe even a little bit lower, and then it started to go down. So I'll zoom out. I'll show exactly what I mean. So it goes through, breaks up to 710 on this huge spiking candle. So 15 cents in a minute, goes up, and it comes back down, and then it bled down for the rest of the time until market closed. So that's basically what I mean when I'm looking at the low of the previous day, 707. I'll normally put it in my stop loss area. I'll put it right here. I normally don't use stop losses, so it doesn't really matter. It's just a mental note for myself. So when the market opens, I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, it's all the way down here. 707 is the previous day's low. It still has time to fill that gap. Stocks want to fill the gap. Now it may have not filled it today, but eventually it would fill it, you know, maybe in the next day or so. I just want to give you guys a brief explanation of why I entered when I did. I saw the spiking momentum. Also looking at the previous day's low. A lot of people ask me, why are you looking at the previous day's low? Why are you getting into positions on these huge spiking candles? That doesn't make sense. Green means up. That means green buy. You buy green. That's what that means. And no, that's not what it means. There's so many factors that go into it. I'm looking at how much is it down on the day? What does the daily look like? What's the previous day's low? How much did it spike in this 1 minute? There's going to be a pullback. There's so much stuff that's going through my mind. It's not as basic as green, up, buy, green. I don't do that. That's just, no, there's more that goes through this small head of mine. Thank you all so much for viewing this video. I truly do appreciate the support. I just want to show you guys a trade that I took, 29 bucks. You know, it's just been slow with the holidays. Yeah, some people are making a good amount of trades, and I'm truly happy for them. Just for myself, you know, just the way the market's been moving, it's just slightly different. I do love these spiking candles, but again, this was with a penny stock. And with penny stocks, you're not going to get too much movement. You know, there was a stock today that did spike over 100% throughout the course of it. I think it ended at about 80% up. I'll be looking at that one tomorrow. Of course, I can't trade it, but I will let people know in the Discord, hey, this is what I would do. And then, you know, possibly it would work out fine. Again, truly appreciate all the support. Thank you so much. This is Jonathan with Lone Wolf Day Trading, and stay green.